Cat of Miles coming back at you. Got these Nikes, Penny Hardaways from the rival pack. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. So, something simple. All I'm gonna do is a deep clean on these. Get them looking nice. Get all that dirt stuff off of them. So, deep clean on these Penny Hardaways. And I'll be back with the finished product. What's up? I'm back. Finished product. Icy white. Nice and clean. I don't know if you can see it from the camera view, but it's still a little dirty, but it's yellowing on there. I didn't unyellow them. I just cleaned them real good. It's still a little damp. They're drying. The lace is drying as well, but Penny Hardaway from the rival pack, nice and clean, pretty white. You can see still a little dirty, but that's stains that won't come out. That's like an ink stain. So yeah, deep cleaning, some short, sweet, and simple. Nicely done. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.